Ever wondered how to cook the perfect gumbo? Well, you're in the right place. Gumbo, a staple of Louisiana cuisine, is a hearty stew that's as rich in flavor as it is in history. It's a melting pot of culinary influences, and today, we're diving into its delicious depths. For our gumbo, we'll need a mix of meats. Chicken and sausage are classic choices, bringing a balance of tender and robust flavors. Vegetables are up next, a holy trinity of bell peppers, onions, and celery that forms the flavorful backbone of our stew. But what's a gumbo without its signature spices? Bay leaves, cayenne pepper, and thyme will infuse our stew with that distinct mouth-watering gumbo taste. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, contributing to the complex layers of flavor that make gumbo such a beloved dish. With these ingredients ready, we're set to start cooking our perfect gumbo. The soul of gumbo lies in its roux, a blend of fat and flour. This simple concoction is what sets the stage for our delectable gumbo. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive right in. First, we'll start by melting our chosen fat. This could be butter, oil, or even the drippings from a roast. As it liquefies, the stage is set for the next act, the flour. We'll gradually sprinkle it in, stirring all the while to ensure it blends seamlessly with the fat. This is where the magic truly happens. As we stir, the roux will begin to change color, from a pale cream to a rich, deep brown. It's crucial to keep stirring constantly to prevent any lumps or burning. Patience is key here. The darker the roux, the more depth of flavor it imparts to our gumbo. What we're aiming for is a thick, smooth mixture that's the color of dark chocolate. Once we achieve that, we know our roux is ready. Now that our roux is ready, it's time to add in our vegetables. With our roux and vegetables ready, we're on to the main event, cooking the gumbo. This is where the magic happens, where all our ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors that is truly unforgettable. First, we'll integrate our sautéed vegetables into the roux. This may seem like a simple step, but it's essential for the final product. The vegetables will release their juices into the roux, infusing it with a richness and depth that is the hallmark of a great gumbo. Next, it's time for the meat. Whether you're using chicken, sausage, or seafood, the key here is to make sure each piece is coated with the roux and vegetables. This allows the meat to take on the flavors of the roux and vegetables, setting the stage for a gumbo that is robust and hearty. Once the meat is fully integrated, we'll add our spices. A dash of cayenne for a bit of heat, some thyme for earthiness, and of course a generous helping of file powder for that distinct gumbo flavor. Remember, the spices are what make gumbo unique, so don't be shy with them. After the spices, we'll pour in the stock. The stock not only adds more flavor, but also creates the soup-like consistency that gumbo is known for. As the stock is added, the gumbo will start to come to life, with the roux, vegetables, meat, and spices all blending together in a beautiful dance of flavors. Now, it's time to let the gumbo simmer. This is where patience is key. Slow cooking allows the flavors to fully develop and meld together. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors will intensify, resulting in a gumbo that is rich, hearty, and bursting with flavor. After hours of simmering, our gumbo is almost ready. All that's left is the final touch. This is the moment we've been waiting for, the culmination of all our hard work. So stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. To bring it all together, we add okra or file powder. These ingredients may seem like small additions, but they play a crucial role in our gumbo. They act as thickeners, giving the gumbo its distinctive, hearty consistency. But their role isn't purely functional. They also enhance the flavor, adding a unique touch that makes the dish truly special. Now let's take a step back and look at the process as a whole. We started with the roux, the backbone of our gumbo. Remember, a good roux takes patience and constant stirring. Then we moved on to slow cooking our ingredients, allowing their flavors to meld together and create the rich, complex taste that gumbo is known for. Finally, we added our okra or file, the finishing touch that brings everything together. And there you have it, a perfect bowl of gumbo, ready to warm your soul and delight your palate.